Hey all, welcome to the video. My name's Hayden. If you don't know who I am, I've been selling on Amazon since 2019. I recently sold my bundles brand for multiple six figures, and I own an Amazon agency called ClickFox. Now, in this video, I want to talk to you about how we can do product sourcing. I'm going to literally show you from start to finish how you can look at trends that are on TikTok and stuff like that, and then try and find opportunities to sell products on Amazon easily without importing stuff from China and stuff like that on Amazon. Let's dive into it without further ado. Let me share my screen. So let's look here, for example. So I noticed on TikTok, right, you can look at things that are just generally going viral. And I noticed that Dubai chocolate was actually going viral. So I came here and typed in Dubai. Now I'm using Helium-10 for this as well. And with Helium-10, what it does is it gets up all of these keywords here. So all of these keywords show you the search demand for this stuff. So on TikTok, you go on there, you'll notice some products that keep showing up. And I noticed that Dubai chocolate keeps showing up. So you don't just have to do this Dubai chocolate, but you can do it with anything that keeps popping up to you, whether that's on Facebook, TikTok, whatever, whether it's an ad or organic. Give it a search here. So this is Dubai. I typed in Dubai and look at that. Dubai chocolate bar pistachio, right? 29,646 people are searching that according to this Helium-10 data here. What else have we got? Dubai chocolate kit there. Got Dubai chocolate bar. Wow, all of this stuff. So I'm going to start going down a rabbit hole here. Let me click on Dubai chocolate bar pistachio. Notice that, guys, 159 results only showing up there, guys, for which is nothing compared to 30,000 search, which means that there's a lot of opportunity here. Now, I'm not just going to look at the first products that show up, right? But I'm going to get inspired by them. So already, with that amount of search and only 159 results, I can see there's a huge opportunity here. The next thing I can do is click up here, load the Helium-10 Chrome extension, right? It's fetching the product data. I then want to go on to filters there, hide sponsored from the results, click apply, and you will notice that we've got the average price there, which is a good price. Remember, it's a chocolate bar at the end of the day, guys. We've got huge revenue, huge search volume, right? And then I can also see the reviews here. So this is like the top few products, right? Let's scroll over, look at the review count. As you can see, the review count there is loads of people that have got really low reviews. 27, 128, 7, 6, 54, 10, 25. There's so many low reviews, guys. And look how many sales there is, right? Ace in sales. We've got hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of sales for each one, right? So that already has validated this particular search for me. Now all we've got to do is figure out a way in which we can go ahead and create our own opportunities here. Now, straight away, what springs to mind for me is whether so it could be like a wholesale thing, right? So you may be able to look for one of these people as like a brand exclusive deal, anyone that sells this Dubai chocolate, or you may be able to do your own private label chocolate or sort of white label chocolate because there's so much demand for this at the moment. You know, look how expensive these are, guys. These might be buying these for £5 or £6. But another thing you could do, which is probably an easier opportunity, is take these ASINs, which we're going to do in a minute, and look for other similar keywords that they're searching for. Because I would put this into some sort of bundle or gift box. Like, if people are buying this like this for this amount of money, think how much you could charge for a gift box. So let's scroll down and see what other products we've got here. So a lot of them are just single bars here, guys. So I see an opportunity for like a gift box, you know, some sort of bundle. There's a bundle of 2-pack there, which 50 have bought, but there's no sort of gift box here. So if I go up into the top, let's see if there's anything else showing up on the Helium-10 search. By the way, guys, get 25% off Helium-10 below by hitting my link, Hayden6M20 coupon code. Hit the link below to use Helium-10. It's a great tool. But look at that. Dubai chocolate bar pistachio. Then you've got Dubai chocolate bar pistachio kit. You got ingredients. We've got all this stuff here. So, okay, what I would do here in this case is actually go like that. Let's see where the sales are coming from. So what you can do is open up Helium-10 again, go on to X-ray. Let's click some of the top sellers here. Let's click that one, for example, which has got 3,000 plus sales. Let's then run Cerebro on that, which will then take you to the Helium-10 website. And let's find this. What we're going to do here is find out exactly. We're going to find out exactly where the sales are coming from and any other keywords that we could potentially rank for. Because don't get me wrong, if we do some sort of gift box or bundle for this Dubai chocolate, I think we can get loads of sales just from that one keyword, guys. But we want hyper relevancy. We want to be even more relevant. So what I would do here is type in, because remember we want like pistachio chocolate gift box or something like that. So let's put word count of 2, and let's find we've got at least 300 minimum search volume in there, and let's have a little search there. So let's apply them filters, and you see we've got 56 guys, 56 things showing up there, 56 keywords showing up there. So this is showing us the search volume and the Cerebro IQ score. Now, a lot of people don't look at this enough. The Cerebro IQ score, the higher, the better, right? So as you can see, we just validated that keyword there where there was hardly any reviews, loads of sales, and the Cerebro IQ score is really, really high. So that shows you how important that Cerebro IQ score is, to basically telling you how different the product is. If we filter, which a lot of people don't do, the Cerebro IQ score, filter it by the best. Guys, look how high that Cerebro IQ score is. There's huge search volume there. Huge search volume. Wow, it's incredible. These are some of the searches that this particular product's showing up for. And again, the Cerebro, that's the search volume. Loads of search, huge Cerebro IQ score. So if we look at pistachio cream, there's over 60,000 results for this. So this is also going viral because of the virality of the Dubai chocolate. And we could go in here and we could be like, oh, we could do our own gift box or bundle of pistachio cream. Or we could do, if we validate this keyword, we could do pistachio cream with Dubai chocolate, for example. There's so many different things we can do. Look at that, Dubai chocolate kit there. So we've got search volume of 4,746. So let's check that out, Dubai chocolate kit. And the Dubai chocolate kit there has only got 116 results. And there's not really anything there. So that could be a niche there where we could go ahead, get a kit. Some sort of bundle, guys. But what I want to do is some sort of gift box. Now, is there search for a gift box for this? Like gift packet? Maybe not yet, but I think there would be. So if we type in Dubai, let's go back to the search bar here. Dubai chocolate bar gift. There's no search for that, but that's absolutely fine because we've got all of these other keywords down here, guys. So I would try and do, potentially, if it was me, some sort of bundle, whether it's a bundle for pistachio cream, Dubai chocolate. You can use all these keywords. You can use Dubai chocolate, which has got a huge search volume, Dubai chocolate bar pistachio cream. And what you want to do, which most people don't, is click into each individual search there to check what are the best selling products and then try and use them for your bundle / gift box / kit, right? And it's very unlikely you're not going to be able to get some good sales if you do a bundle in that sort of niche, guys, where you're going into every single keyword and validating them, right? You're going in there and you're going to be validating each one. Because if we look over here, what you can also do is pull the ASINs like this one I just pulled from Cerebro there. You can pull it. And what you want to do is look at the organic rank on the left there. So we can filter by organic rank there. So you can go into every single one. Let's say you go into Dubai cream. You can go into Dubai chocolate bar, Dubai gift box, whatever search term you want. Find the top sellers or top seller. Scroll to the right and you can see the number 1, number 2, number 3 spots of the organic rank that's showing up for. And what that is it's telling you the keyword that this is most relevant for, that's getting most of the sales, because we are organically ranked number 1 for Dubai chocolate bar pistachio, and we're also organic ranked number 1 for comfort chocolate. And then you can see all the search for them, and when you want to build up your listings with all of the most relevant keywords that are showing organically for all of the top products that you want to put together, guys. So you could create with that, let me get back to me on the screen. You could create with that, you could do, whether you want to contact brands directly and do that, whether you want to do wholesale and get the rights to sell them, whether you want to do some sort of arbitrage there, whether you want to do a bundle, a gift box, or even your own private label stuff, guys. That's a huge opportunity I've just shown you there. How long is it going to last? We don't know. It could be an ongoing niche, or it could just be a temporary sort of high. But that's how you can use social media to find these types of opportunities, guys. I hope you like that video. As I say, the Helium 10 links below. Grab that if you want. If you want to contact me, my agency, or any other resources I've got, check the links below. I'll see you in the next video.